Today I'm going to show you how to easily set due dates and stay on track in Trello. Adding due dates to your cards in Trello is very simple. Let's say we've got this card over here and the name of the card is client name and description. It's a template, so we're going to click on it. It'll open up the card in a large view. Over here right at the top you can see it says add, and then it says dates, checklists, members, attachments. Go and click on dates. Here it'll give you a start date, so all you'd have to do is check that on and it'll allow you to change the start date. Here it'll give you the option for a due date. Go ahead and you can click in there, select your due date and select a time. Let us choose 11 a.m. All right, here we go. Then you can make it reoccurring, right? So it could reoccur Monday to Friday, that's daily, weekdays, weekly, daily, that would be inclusive of a Saturday and a Sunday, monthly on this particular date, or monthly on the date of every Saturday of the 4th. So here you can also set the due date reminder, so 1 day before or 2 hours before, 5 minutes before the due date, and go ahead, say save. Now when you go out of here, you'll be able to see there will be a marker on there. All of these markers over here represent different things within this card. That little timer over there, if you hover over it, it says this card is due, and then it'll give you your date.